Hi everyone, welcome to the first educational video of this channel. It is about the topic of NEET and other courses, an interesting topic, human physiology. For the next few episodes, we are going to do this. First, I will give my introduction. I am a medical student, final year medical student from West Bengal Government Medical College. So let's start first day. This video is gonna be a bit smaller, and here we will only talk about two basic concepts that we should know to start our topic and go through it further. So let's start. Topic number 1. It will be a table as it is pre-made. I will first draw it and ask everyone to copy it, as I am going to make it understand for the people. It is actually, this table covers a whole lot of topics. First, I would like everyone to copy this table, as it is there are 4 columns. This actually deals about the functions of nerve and nerve stimulations on the 4 systems: digestive system, excretion system, respiration and circulation. The 4 systems, the effect of nerve, sympathetic, parasympathetic nerve, and various drugs, various agents. So on the left hand column, we can think of 7 same topics that have the same effects. Actually, it is number 1 is sympathetic nerve, number 2 epinephrine, norepinephrine, dopamine. There are 3 agents. Number 3 is sympathetic stimulations, when we stimulate the sympathetic nerve. Number 4 is denervation of parasympathetic nerve, that is opposite to sympathetic stimulation. Number 5 is atropine, another drug which is an acetylcholine inhibitor. Number 7 is a state, which is stress. Number 7 is an operation which is vagotomy. And on the right hand column, we will write the exact opposite of the same 7 topics on the right hand side. On the first is parasympathetic nerve, second is acetylcholine, that acts just opposite to the 3 drugs epinephrine, dopamine and norepinephrine, to almost all the aspects. Number 3 is parasympathetic stimulation, which is also vagus nerve stimulation. Number 4 is denervation of sympathetic nerve. Number 5 is acetylcholine esterase inhibitor, which works just opposite to the atropine. Number 6 is state, relaxed state, opposite to stress. Number 7 is epinephrine and norepinephrine inhibitor. And as we can see, we will write about the effects of the first left hand side 7 topics. On the first, digestion, it decreases the digestion. Excretion, it decreases the excretion. And its opposite, the parasympathetic group, it increases the digestion, it increases the excretion. And it works exactly opposite on the respiration and circulation system. On the respiration, it increases the respiration, it increases the circulation. On the parasympathetic group, it decreases the respiration and circulation. So I will like to give the time to copy this table, and so that we can move to the next topic, which is our. So let's start the second topic, which is one more important. You guys can pause and make the video if not possible. So first, we have to draw a straight line like the x-axis, as we have learned in our maths. There are 4 points as I am writing. They actually denote 4 voltages: 90 millivolt, minus 90 millivolt, minus 70 millivolt, 0 millivolt, and plus 30 millivolt. Now we can mark it. Minus 70 millivolt is resting potential, and plus 30 millivolt is action potential. So as you all can understand, through this graph like representation, I am going to talk about polarization, depolarization, repolarization and hyperpolarization. Okay, so let's start first depolarization. When we get the voltage from minus 70 millivolt to plus 30 millivolts, we call it depolarization. And just exact opposite, when we get the voltage from plus 30 millivolt to minus 70 millivolt, we call it repolarization. Please keep some space under the headings so that we can write some important notes. And then if we get the voltage from minus 70 millivolt to minus 90 millivolt, it is called hyperpolarization. So let's first come to depolarization. Small some points. In the phase of depolarization, it resembles the systole of cardiac cycle. all the cellular functions are performed or increased. Functions are performed or increased. And here we are going to draw a cell, just a simple representation of a cell, and two cations enter the cell through passive transport, which I am denoting with PT, and the two cations are calcium and sodium. So in the depolarization phase we get that it coincides with the systole of heart, a cardiac cycle. Functions are performed or increased, and two ions, cations, calcium and sodium, they enter the cell. Next we are going to repolarization. Okay, repolarization, it coincides with the diastole, actually resembles, not coincides, it coincides with the diastole of cardiac cycle. Now we are going to draw a cell to show the cellular activity. As it is opposite to depolarization, we can see that two cations, they go outside the cell. They are Ca2 plus and Na plus, but they go through active transport. And also K plus, it is dual movement, it go outside the cell through passive transport, come inside the cell through active transport. Now we can go to hyperpolarization phase. Actually, during hyperpolarization, the heart beat rate decreases. Okay, now all the cellular functions become slow. There can be some softness. Now we will draw a cell. Only one ion goes outside the cell, is K plus. It goes through passive transport. For your convenience, PT is passive transport, AT is active transport. Okay, so today we are covering only two topics, two small topics. One is about this table, a very important table, sympathetic group, this is parasympathetic group. Okay, sympathetic nerve, just for a bit of revision, I am showing again all the things together. This is resting potential, this is action potential, this is resting potential, this is action potential. All the voltages are important. And then there are three actions, that is depolarization, repolarization and hyperpolarization. I am showing whole topic together so that you can take screenshot. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let's talk with you more about this human physiology on the next video.